how have you seen or how do you talk to a customer when first time that person or that family is coming to you, and how do you educate them that trust the process, because it is a hard thing, right?
It's a hard thing.
You have to push someone. It's like pushing them towards a exercise. On day one, nobody is going to see the weight loss,
Yeah.
but it has to be a process. How do you make sure that they are aligned with that, they follow that process?
Uh, Simple remedy or a simple way of working towards this process is a continuous communication and discussion, because once in a quarter discussion helps basically, because we all are busy in our own routines and clients have their own routines, and when they find that there is a person who is making sure that plan is implemented, or they are on the right track, or they can feel free to ask any simple query or any mad query they have on their mind. So when that communication is simpler, when there is no any gap in between communication, that track is followed and plan gets reviewed every year definitely. So that's a process.
Yeah.
So once the first review is done, they know where were they 1 year before and how they have reached where. So that again creates an impact that they need to follow this process. They need to continuously make changes, and that behavioral change comes when they follow this process. So I guess communication is the key.